we back here again. I don't think I ever done a video being here, but yeah, got the stuff. Actually, oh, what the? Oh, hello there. Yeah, down here. Yeah, that's a one risky right there. We gotta do. What's up? I thought that was an house for a second. I just got down here. I was fucking tripping, having the camera on me. So I actually came here with my brother. Just with my brother and his friend. Bro, I know seeing this water is so calm. Like, usually the currents are super bad, but the water's actually really calm. Look at this. So yeah, we gotta set up the rods here. We'll see right now. It's gonna take me a bit to set up these rods, so yeah, I just came here. And it's actually on the Sunday night, morning, so yeah. Alright, so yeah. Got my rod. I'm just gonna have to set it up, but right now I'm gonna set up the rest of the rods. Just make sure everything's tight. Got it nice and done. See the wiggle action? We don't really see that, okay. And we're gonna have to set up these rods. So actually, mostly this one. So this one, probably gonna put a regular, probably, I don't know. I'll figure out in just a bit. Alright, this one's done. Now we're just gonna have to set it up. Like, yeah, people are going through shit, we're like, we don't even know. Yeah, like, it's easy for us to just judge, basically.
We might get a little wavy out here.
Very true.
You'll see. Yeah, so just about 15 minutes ago, I said, we'll make a bite.
We get shaped by those experiences. It's real.
Shit, one giant ship. Next thing you know, all rods go down.
Like transport's not cool, it's like cool.
I don't know.
Did he say any danger?
Warning.
I guess so.
The Mandy Whipple, if that's said that correctly.
He wants to be popular, like, because it's just, but I don't know, because I don't know, I just never really saw people that way. Yeah. But, I mean, that's the first thing like people...
About hour 1 to 2. Not one bite yet.
Bro, I'm the most fucking judgmental person.
Not one bite yet. Alright, about 2 hours in it, and I don't know if it's the wind or the currents, but we might have our first couple bites. It takes so lightly. But yeah, the rest of the times, no bites, so just gotta keep on waiting. I'm not, this video is just gonna be one boring ass video. I couldn't tell if that was a fish or that was... Nah, I don't wanna fuck it up like what he said.
No, I was saying you do it because I'm gonna fuck it up.
Wait. Hold up. Nada? We kind of had like a small takedown, but it wasn't really a takedown. Naman ni Pico na. You want to cast it again, bro? You want to cast it again?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
So, yeah.
if you allow me to put you on YouTube, then. So yeah, here, let me step back. So yeah, index, open the bail. Oh,
Oh shit, I broke it.
No, you didn't. You're good.
Oh.
It's just. Let me just. Alright, now you can hit it. So, index, open the bail, stand back. No la lleva prendiendo. Now close the bail. And then.
So it gets a little tight, right?
Yeah. When you see if you're a little tight. But also when you place it down, if it's still a little bit slack, reel it in just a bit. Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but. So yeah. Yeah, like, you see how there's already slack? That's where you gotta reel it in just a bit. But you don't gotta pick it up, you just gotta.
There's a little what?
Like, you know how like it's still like slightly loose, the line?
Sí.
You don't have to pick it up, you just like, pues, agáchate, pues, just.
Oh, okay.
Reel it. This has gotta be our chance. Alright, we might get the bite anytime soon. If this doesn't get us anything, that's gonna be just sad.
When I do need to go to San Antonio again to see my cousin. And then finish this project partner stuff.
There's no way nothing is biting it. Nothing again.